Hey there, welcome back to Sales Talk. In the rapidly evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, one name stands out, Devin AI. But what exactly is Devin AI? How can you use it to its full potential? And most importantly, how can you get your hands on this groundbreaking technology? In this video, you will get a clear understanding of Devin AI. Devin AI is an innovative artificial intelligence platform designed to empower individuals and businesses with cutting-edge AI capabilities. From natural language processing to image recognition, Devin AI offers a wide range of features to suit various needs. Whether you are a developer looking to integrate AI into your applications, a business owner seeking to streamline operations, or simply someone curious about the power of artificial intelligence, Devin AI has something for everyone. One of the things that sets Devin AI apart is its versatility. With just a few lines of code, you can harness the power of state-of-art AI models without needing a deep understanding of machine learning algorithms. It is incredibly user-friendly and accessible, even for those without a technical background. So how exactly do you use Devin AI? It's simple. Whether you prefer coding or a more graphical interface, Devin AI offers intuitive tools to get you started. For developers, integrating Devin AI into your applications is as easy as importing a library and making a few functions calls. With support for popular programming languages like Python and JavaScript, you can seamlessly integrate AI into your projects with minimal effort. If you are not comfortable with coding, no worries. Devin AI also offers a user-friendly graphical interface that allows you to build AI-powered applications with just a few clicks. Simply drag and drop pre-built components, customize them to your liking, and you are ready to go. Devin AI has completely transformed the way we do business. From automating repetitive tasks to gaining valuable insights from our data, it has become an indispensable tool for business. And what is the best part? It's incredibly cost-effective compared to hiring dedicated AI experts. With the demand for AI talent on the rise, acquiring the necessary skills can be daunting. But with the Devin AI, you can level the playing field and access cutting-edge AI technology without having to invest years in training. Are you wondering to know the key benefits you will get from Devin AI? It revolutionizes the way individuals and businesses interact with artificial intelligence. From seamless integrations into existing applications to intuitive user interfaces for non-technical users, Devin AI democratizes access to cutting-edge AI technology. Its versatility caters to diverse needs, whether automating repetitive tasks, extracting insights from data, or creating innovative solutions. Devin AI empowers users to harness the power of AI without extensive technical expertise, paving the way for increased productivity, efficiency, and innovations across industries. So how can you get Devin AI for yourself? It is as easy as visiting their website and signing up for an account. Whether you are an individual enthusiast or a large enterprise, they offer flexible pricing plans to suit your needs. So what are you waiting for? Join the Devin AI revolutions today and unlock the full potential of artificial intelligence. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. See you in the next time.